This is OnePlus Nord 3, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to start, you will need to launch or open whatever search engine you prefer using, then input the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website, then go for it. Once the web page loads, it will suggest the file download, so accept it, then open the file. Go into settings and grant the following permission to whatever respective web browser you've used. Then install the Epic Games Store, launch it, enter the Fortnite game page and tap at the install button over there. So as you can see, once the Fortnite game is downloaded but is yet to be installed, the system asks that we grant the Epic Games Store with the same permission we granted Google Chrome with, that is to install unknown apps, so switch on this toggle, and then install the game. Once the Fortnite is successfully installed, you can just go ahead and launch it, and the final step at this whole process is to let it download all remaining updates, resources, and just final documents that it has. And well, once the download process will be finished, and it will take a while since, as you will see now, the update size is 6.3 gigabytes. Anyway, once this final download will be finished, you will be finally able to start playing the game. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.